Alright, our next part we're working on here is the, its name is up here, the hitch peg, right here. So, looks like the total height of this peg is 0.65. The part of the shaft here below the top of the peg is 0.5. The radius is 0.208, and the diameter of the top of it is 0.4. Diameter of the bottom, 0.25. Now the easiest way to draw this, I believe, is by doing a profile and a revolve. So let's take a look at what it takes to draw that profile. If the diameter is 0.25, the line from the center point would be 0.125, an eighth of an inch. So let's start drawing that out and see how it looks. The general shape is going to be a vertical line, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. So let's try that out. We got to do a new standard IPT. My line looks something like this. Straight line to start. After that, it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and constrain that. Make sure those are perpendicular, and they are. Make sure these are perpendicular, and that one too, and it is. Let's start looking at some dimensions here. The overall height is 0.65. Let's start with that one. 0.65. Okay, let's look at the radius there, 0.125. And the height of that guy is, double check, 0.5. And the distance for this guy right here, if we have 0.125 for that radius, we have to look back and say that the radius to the outside, based on this number, is 0.2. So 0.2 minus 0.125. .2 minus 0.125, and there you have it. If everything's correct, we should be able to draw our last little circle here. We're going to draw an arc. Pick the top point, pick the end point, and drop it anywhere we want. And then dimension that arc at 0.208. There you have it. So looking carefully, we have a height of 0.65, horizontal distance 0.125, 0.5 is from here to there. This little section ends up being, it's not shown on here, we have to did our math problem to get that answer. Looks like it's 0.075, and we drew an arc from point to point and then stretched it out, dropped it, and gave it a radius of 0.208. Finish that sketch. Next, we'll choose the revolve tool. The profile is chosen for us. It's the only one there. The axis is going to be the back line. Spins it around, full spin. Hit OK, and there's your hitch peg.